Welcome to our video on the health benefits of coconut milk. As you may already know, coconut milk is a white substance that is extracted from the flesh of mature brown coconuts and is commonly used in a variety of cuisines. In this video, we will be discussing the various health benefits of adding coconut milk to your diet. 1. Aids in weight loss. Coconut milk is rich in short and medium-chain triglycerides that are considered to be healthy fats. They prolong the feeling of satiety, causing you to eat less and avoid giving in to cravings. In addition, they are more likely to be converted to energy, as opposed to longer-chain fatty acids. These are preferentially stored in the body, contributing towards obesity. 2. Contains antioxidants. Coconut milk is rich in vitamins C and E that are well known for their antioxidant properties. Free oxygen radicals are formed by our body tissues during the process of metabolism. They are harmful to cellular components and contribute towards aging and tumor growth. Antioxidants contained in coconut milk help to neutralize these harmful substances. 3. Helps to balance electrolytes. Coconut milk is rich in electrolytes such as potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Potassium is important for maintenance of a normal heart rhythm. It is also crucial for healthy muscle functioning. Magnesium is required for a healthy immune system, as well as maintenance of normal nerve and muscle function. Phosphorus is a vital structural component of bones and teeth. By adding coconut milk to your recipes, you ensure that the body has enough supply of phosphorus to meet these requirements. 4. Prevents heart disease. Coconut milk is known to increase the levels of HDL cholesterol in the body. Scientific research now shows that coconut milk may help to reduce the levels of LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, in the body if consumed in low quantities. HDL cholesterol has anti-inflammatory properties that protect the endothelium or blood vessel lining. LDL cholesterol, on the other hand, promotes the formation of plaques in blood vessels, causing pathological narrowing. When blood vessels supplying the heart muscles are narrowed, heart attacks can result. 5. Strengthens the immune system. Coconut milk contains lauric acid that is known for its antiseptic properties. It assists the body in fighting infections caused by bacteria, viruses, and fungi. A study done in the Philippines showed that children with pneumonia responded faster to treatment with antibiotics and coconut milk compared to those who were treated with antibiotics alone. 6. Prevents anemia. Coconut milk has significant quantities of iron. Iron is an important mineral in the formation of healthy red blood cells with normal hemoglobin levels. Incorporating coconut milk into your diet will help you avoid anemia that often results from inadequate iron intake. 7. Promotes healthy hair and skin. Recently, coconut milk has gained popularity for its use as a conditioning treatment for healthy hair. Its high-fat content acts as a sealant for moisture retention. When applied to the scalp, coconut milk helps to reduce dandruff and scalp itchiness. This is because it contains lauric acid that has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Coconut milk, when applied topically on the skin, helps in maintenance of the skins. 8. May improve insulin sensitivity. Coconut milk contains lauric acid, which has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity in some studies. Insulin sensitivity refers to how well the body is able to use insulin to regulate blood sugar levels. Improving insulin sensitivity may be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or at risk for developing diabetes. 9. May improve bone health. Coconut milk is a good source of calcium, which is important for maintaining strong bones. Some studies have also shown that the medium-chain fatty acids in coconut milk may have a positive effect on bone density. In conclusion, coconut milk is a nutritious and flavorful addition to your diet that may offer a range of health benefits. From aiding in weight loss to promoting healthy hair and skin, coconut milk is a versatile ingredient that can be incorporated into many recipes. As with any food, it is important to consume coconut milk in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Want to stay healthy? Subscribe to my channel and watch my next video for tips and facts about your body. Thanks for watching.